Hello guys, good morning everyone. Today now studies the classification of the crystalline solid. Most of the solid substance are crystalline nature. For example, all the metallic element like iron, copper, silver, non-metallic element like sulfur, phosphorus, and iodine. Compound like sodium chloride, zinc sulfide, and naphthalene. Crystalline solid can be classified on the basis of nature of intermolecular force operating in them into four categories: molecular solid, ionic solid, metallic solid, and covalent solid. Crystalline solid can be classified on the basis of nature of intermolecular force operating in them into four categories: molecular solid, ionic solid, metallic solid, and covalent solid. Molecular solid. First, molecular solid. Molecular solid these solid are subdivided into three categories. Non-polar molecules, solid, polar molecules solid, and hydrogen bonded molecular solid. Hydrogen bonded molecular solid. Molecular solid can be subdivided into three categories: non-polar molecular solid, polar molecular solid, and hydrogen bonded molecular solid. Non-polar molecular solid Non-polar molecular solid, the comprise of either atom, for example hydrogen and helium. The molecules are bonded by non-polar covalent bond, for example hydrogen, Cl2, and chlorine. In these solid, the atoms and molecules are held by weak dispersion force or London force. In this solid are soft and non-conductor of electricity, and they have low melting point and are usually in liquid and gaseous state at room temperature and pressure. Polar molecular solid, polar molecular solid, polar molecular solid. The molecules of substance like HCl, SO2 and NH3. The molecules are atoms, and molecules are strongly by dipole-dipole interactions. The solid are soft and non-conductor of electricity, and the melting point higher than non-polar covalent bond. Non-polar molecular solid. Non-polar molecular solid. Third, hydrogen bonded molecular solid. Hydrogen bonded molecular solid. Molecular solid. Hydrogen bonded molecular solid. The molecules of such solid contain bipolar covalent bond between hydrogen and fluorine, hydrogen and oxygen, and hydrogen and nitrogen atoms, strongly hydrogen bonded bind the molecules of such solid like H2O. In this solid, the soft and non-conductor of electricity, and generally they have volatile liquid and soft solid. So guys, non-polar molecular solid H2O, Cl2 and I2. Polar molecular solid HCl, SO2 and NH3. Hydrogen bonded molecular solid hydrogen bond Fa, oxygen, hydrogen bond oxygen, hydrogen bond nitrogen. So guys, thank you. Okay.